So I've done a video of this before. This is a secret journal pocket. So essentially you're going to take two pieces of paper, cut them exactly the same, and then you're going to glue them together. I would recommend one-sided paper, not two-sided, just because you're going to glue them together. Now, prior to this, make sure whatever you're going to put inside of it fits and measure it out. And also measure it out to make sure it's going to fit in the pocket or wherever you're going to put it. I've spent many times recutting things because I didn't take time for this step, so take time for this step. So I did measure to make sure that it fit, and I stamped these beautiful like to-do lists that are beautiful. And I put them on my coffee stained paper, and I didn't cut them out exactly perfectly because they're going to go inside this, and whoever ends up with this can do whatever they want with it. So I kind of try to leave things open to them. This next part, what I did while I was gone was I cut this after the glue was dry. You can cut it halfway. You can cut it wherever you want. I kind of cut it towards the top. And then I'm going to take these to-do lists and I'm going to stack them together and put them inside the top of where I glued this together. So now they have a nice little hideaway. And then I'll put the rest of them in the bottom. And so when they're together, especially if you have the right sides together, you can't tell that it's really been cut. Now, I like to show that it's cut, so that's why I ink there. And then it goes perfectly in this beautiful little pocket. So if you're ever looking for a little secret hideaway, I have done a couple videos on this. Go ahead and take a look and check out my other videos. This went in Bippity Boppity Book. Have a great day.